Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. This is the second video in which we're going to transform the standard form of a quadratic function to its vertex form, and we're going to do that by using the axis of symmetry to help us make that transformation, keeping in mind that the standard form of a quadratic function is function of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and we're going to move that to its vertex form, which is function of x is equal to a times a quantity of x minus h squared plus k. All right, and so for our example right here, we have function of x is equal to 3x squared minus 12x plus 8, and that is in standard form. And we're going to move that to vertex form momentarily. But first, let us use our function right here, in which we have x is equal to a negative b over 2a. We're going to use this formula to make that transformation. And in this case, b is negative 12 and a is 3. And so here's what we have. X, which is really h, is going to be equal to a negative times a negative, right? And so we have this negative 1. We can do that right here times a negative 12, which would give us a positive 12 in the numerator, while 2 times a, which is 3, will give us 6 in the denominator. And we know that 12 divided by 6 will give us 2. And we're going to plug 2 back into the standard form of this function, in which we have 3 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2 plus 8. And when we do that, we have y is equal to 12 minus 24 plus 8, and the final result will be a negative 4. And so then this is our axis of symmetry right here. This is our vertex in which we have 2 comma negative 4, in which we're going to plug back into the vertex form of the quadratic function. And so we do that. Now we're going to put 2 right here, which is really h because it's going to be x minus h. And in this case, 2, which is x, and it's also h, will serve as our h right here. And so then our negative 4 will be our k value, and we're going to put our negative 4 right here. And so now the vertex form of this function is function of x is equal to 3 times a quantity of x minus 2 squared minus 4. And with that in mind, there will be an x shift to the right 2 units, and there will be a y shift downward 4 units. Okay, you have been given a lot of information, and I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video, take a look at how this transformation works. Or you can replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of how to move a standard form of the quadratic function to its vertex form. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.